Look at this account with 100 posts and 100K views. How can photographers get 1 million views on Instagram faster? Look at this, and this account. You'll notice a common strategy. Their photo posts are good, but their viral video reels attract a much larger audience. Are these videos complicated? Did these photographers become cinematographers? They grow faster with these simple videos like these. They just need to turn their photos into viral short videos with music, some text, and motivational effects, while keeping the same message as the photo. We've studied all these pages and developed the process. In this video, I will show you how to efficiently create 60 viral reels in 60 minutes using just one AI tool. No video editing skills are required. Just transform your art into a different kind of presentation. Click the subscribe button, and let's start. Step 1. Select a collection of photos with a similar vibe. Choice 1. Matching style. Using photos with the same style makes it easier to give your videos a cinematic feel, like this. Search the keyword colorful on Unsplash, where you can download all these images for free. Then you just need to choose 8 to 10 attractive viral photos and turn them into a video like this. Choice 2. Common subject. Featuring the same subject in one video is a way to showcase how the photographer views the world. Follow the same process as choose 1, search for the keyword moon on Unsplash, and then convert these viral images into a video like this. Step 2. Turn your images into cinema with one AI tool. Boolvideo is designed for content creators. Transform your art into various forms effortlessly using AI, no special skills needed. Simply upload your photo collection and your collection's theme, and let AI seamlessly merge text, music, motion effects, and typography to generate videos like this, and this. It's not a Reels template. AI match the most suitable content for your images and generate professional viral reels for your photos. No need to search for the right template. AI will generate a customized one for your art. Step 3. Optimize your viral videos. Normally, Boolvideo can turn your photos into a perfect reels, but if you want to change the music or add some effect, you just need to click Edit. It has a very flexible online video editor. You can customize your music, keyframe, text, or replace your photos. No need for Adobe or Final Cut Pro. With this user-friendly and lightweight online tool, you can effortlessly create 60 reels in just 60 minutes and rapidly gain 1 million views. However, your photo is still the key factor, and maintaining a consistent posting schedule on Instagram is vital. Boolvideo offers a range of AI tools for images, including image enhancement and object eraser. These tools are available within the video editor or can be used separately. As mentioned earlier, creating great photos is essential. This tool can swiftly transform your aesthetic photos into cinematic videos, enabling a wider reach and sharing of your artwork. With various social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and especially YouTube prioritizing video content, photographers should not overlook these opportunities. Can photographers become cinematographers? Not necessarily, unless you have a genuine passion for cinema, as these two professions are distinct art forms in their own right. However, you can certainly transform your static assets into videos while preserving the essence of your photos and enhancing them with elements like music and additional information. So, here are the 3 steps broken down. Number 1. Choose a high-quality, same-style photo collection. Number 2. Turn the photos into viral cinematic videos. Number 3. Customize them if needed and post them on Instagram. Subsequently, you can devote all your attention to becoming a better photographer and seizing the opportunities in video content creation. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you all. I appreciate you watching all the way until the end, and we'll see you in the next one.